No matter how brave you thought you were, just hearing his name could make you wish you lived in Florida. Legend has it his tire chains are made from the braces of kids who didn't get out of his way.
Move it, kids! Come on!
The 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked. Well, got ourselves about 6 inches of snow out here. Pretty good amount of pleased women with less than 6 inches. Well, there's one down, a little bit of plowing. Well, just got here across town to our other property. There's gotta be a foot of snow here more. Easy, boys. We're pushing big snow today, buddy. Lots of snow. 2 pushes in there. Woo! Well, boys, most snow we've seen yet this year, right there, ladies. There's about 14 inches of snow on one end of town and about 6 inches of snow on the other end of town. That's pretty common around these parts. The real heavy stuff, a lot of the times they'll run just south of us on the other side of the 115 highway. And then, you know, the odd time she comes up to the north end of town. She just lingers, buddy. She lingers like ear X after you blocked her. And you know what that's like. Ah, pretty exciting day out here for the plow, boys. Nothing but fun, money and excitement, guys. Another day in Canada for the boys. Hey, Dickfast, internet's most hated self-trained plow rig legend. Back with you again today, bringing another tech tip, boys. Today, I want to discuss a topic that's close to my heart, lads. You know what that is? Loading docks, baby. As an enthusiast of everything truck, I can just imagine there'd be nothing more of a pain in the arse than showing up, having a loading dock full of snow and ice when you're just trying to do your job and deliver your goods, buddy. It probably feels a lot like when you're pulling up to the fuel station and your Cummins or your Duramax, the single diesel pump there is taken up by a guy in a Prius, some broad in a Tesla. Yeah, nothing more annoying, buddy. Anyways, let's talk about the technique and the approach you're going to use snow plow and a loading dock. And anything over 6 to 8 inches of snow, you're just going to want to back that rig in, baby, and push what you can out forward, up to the top. If you're trying to back drag that thing right from the beginning, down into the bottom, up to the gullet, she's going to get harder than a male stripper at a bachelorette party, baby, and it's going to happen pretty quick, okay? Not to mention you're going to get a big knoll of hard-packed snow up at the top of that hill where you've driven over it a half a dozen extra times that you didn't need to do, okay? So what you want to do is back it in. You can see I put 3 pushes on it like that. Then I gave her the full Michael Jordan 3-pointer, baby, spun that rig around, brought her in. Then I just back drag what I can out, 3 or 4 passes, whatever it takes. Okay, guys? Just a few of the fine particulars that you got to consider if you're plowing a loading dock, man. Some things ain't as simple as others make them seem. Or maybe some of us overthink it. But me, I hardly think at all, bud. Till next time. Cheers. Check it out, boys. Plowing beside the smart reefer. Golly jumpins'. Sounds better than the reefer I smoke, makes you stupid. Look. Another blizzard hitting. Expected to get another 8 to 10 today. The fun never stops, boys. Well, boys, believe it like Ripley or don't even bother, but just got finished about 15 hours of plowing snow. Right on was pulling in my street. The stovepipe fell right out of her, boys. It's a single catback Flowmaster system I had put in about 4 years ago. She's rusted right to smithereens. You see the rest of the truck's clean as a bean though. It's because I maintain it that way. So, digging in the parts I got for the dump truck project, I have a brand new stock muffler here. Still got a tailpipe, still got a piece of pipe coming off the cat. I got a stock muffler here. So I think I can harvest a couple exhaust clamps off this. Have us back on the road about half an hour because I'm not even done plowing yet, boys. Wee-hoo! Got that old rusty bugger cut off there. Just gonna jam this onto the front here, then figure out where the back needs to be. Missed the shot because the friggin' camera died, boys. Sorry, I got a different camera now. Well, I've been having a biatch of a time filming. Phone's too cold, batteries are all dead from being out in the lots. But I got that muffler stabbed onto the old piece of pipe coming off the cat there. So before I even mess around playing with putting the tailpipe on, I'm just going to fire it up and see what it sounds like. If it's quieter than it was before, then I'll probably just take that tailpipe off because I'm taking her in for a new exhaust apparently in the next day or two. Wow, is that ever quiet? Quieter than it's been in 4 years. So yeah, I'll probably just rip that tailpipe off if she's already that quiet. Alrighty, boys, I'm 100% not kidding you. This is how we're gonna run her for the rest of the day and the rest of the night. Just a new muffler, slammed on that old pipe with a clamp. I ripped the tailpipe out, strapped that sucker up with the clothes hanger fresh out of the wife's closet. Yeah, boys, do what you gotta do to get yourself through. That's my motto. I could have ran it loud, but this will be a lot nicer. All right, gotta go plow the neighbors. There's the old tailpipe out of her. Sorry, boys, I had a real problem trying to film that. Every time I got a camera set up, started working on something, it would just die because it's so cold out here.